AI is not coming for job, it's already here. Most people think AI will replace jobs someday, but the trust is it's already happening. Companies are quietly using AI to cut costs, customer support, content writing, data entry. AI is doing is faster and cheaper. And the scary part, most layoffs are not even announced as AI layoff. They are called restructuring, efficiency, or automation. Big tech say AI will create new jobs, and maybe it will. But history show one thing clearly: technology replaces jobs before it creates new ones. So the real question is not will AI replace jobs? It's how fast and how adopt fast. Because in the AI era, skills that don't evolve disappear. The AI future is not evil, but ignoring it is. Follow Fast 360 News for daily tech and AI updates.